Good morning, my beautiful friends. So I just did my Easter message, but I have a box here that I want to unbox. This is my Easter basket for myself. It's actually a box that I get every month. It's called My Happy Life. I love this box. I absolutely love this box. But I'm not going to publish this video today because I'm going to publish my Easter video. I didn't look through the box, but I did read the writing that Chris put in it. I love she always puts like a little card in. This one says, "You are a badass. Do not waste your precious time giving one single crap about what anybody else thinks of you." I'm going to put this in my work bag. So, my Happy Life box is, I've been subscribed for quite a long time. It's a great box, and it was called something else before. I can never remember the name of it, but one of the things I love is that Chris writes this great letter that goes with it. And I particularly loved this letter. I mean, they're always all really good, but this was really about reclaiming the earth. And I think that's a great message for Easter, right? Like we've divorced ourselves from religion, from the natural world, and in the Celtic tradition, we've never separated ourselves. So we've always venerated the earth and honored the earth. And this box is, you know, kind of centered on things that are sustainable to earth and honoring the earth. And so I absolutely love it. And she talks about fair trade, and I mean, it's just, she put so much love and soul into the letter. And I'm just going to just keep flipping around the pages. So let me pull things out, and then I'll talk about them. So I'm just pulling them out in random order. So this is a face roller. Now, you put this in the freezer, and it's you can put stuff in it, I guess, like coconut oil or something. I don't know. I don't wear makeup. But normally the face rollers I've seen are huge freaking things. I might try this one. You put it in the freezer. It's supposed to reduce puffiness in your eyes. My eyes do get puffy because I'm old. I don't know. I might try it. It's a mini roller, and she actually tells you how to use it, which is very helpful because I've had a few of these that have come in boxes, but I'm like, what do I do with it? She actually tells you what to do with it. All right, what's next? Oh, coconut oil that goes with it. This is the oil that goes with it. So, and this coconut oil, she talks about it. I don't know what. It goes with the conscious coconut oil. I don't know. You can't smell it through the bag, but that goes with the eye roller. So that's a little pampering. I'll try that today. What's this? It's weighty. Like my little Easter basket. Came right in time for Easter. Oh, I was excited when I saw this. This is honey. And if you watch the channel, you know that I'm a tea drinker. I don't drink coffee. I drink tea with honey. And so I'm super excited, and it has comb in it. So this is my precious tea. I have tea near me all the time. I'm an Aunt Bee's girl, or some other brands, but I really like Aunt Bee's. So I'm very excited to try this, and I probably will as my treat for myself for Easter. So that's awesome. There's a little, it's so funny because I just said this quote in my Easter video: "Be the change you wish to see in the world." It's like a little pouch. It's like a nice little change pouch. So I'm going to put this in my work bag. So I have like all kinds of coins just floating around, and like dollar bills for the soda machine. That's awesome. Oh, see, I saw this, and I'm so excited. So this is a bird feeder. I see how you put the bird feeder. Now, I have a few bird feeders. I have the digital kind so that I can watch the birds. I make up stories about them. I'm an old nutty lady, but this is the cutest thing you ever did see. And there was something about it, like this is made somewhere and helps. What did it say? Handmade birdhouse. There's something grounding about pausing to watch the birds. So true. I mean, this is so amazing. I don't know who made it. See if the tag says anything. Basket weaving. Oh, it's made in Bangladesh, and I know she's very committed to fair trade practices, so I am super excited to put this out front. So, it's just this is probably my favorite thing in here so far. I mean, this is all pretty good, but that's my favorite. And then these are avocado straws. So if you try to use biodegradable straws, you know that the paper ones kind of like, if they're in a soda, I don't drink that quickly, like soda or tea or whatever, so when I use paper straws, and I try to use paper straws or metal straws, but when I use paper straws, they like degrade. These are supposedly, they don't degrade and they don't change the flavor, so I'm super excited to try these. So any little thing that we can do, and she says this in a note, any little thing that we can do to help the earth, it's all good. And then, very excited about, these are meditation cards. And what a hefty, I mean, they're big suckers too, right? These are big, nice, big cards. I'm going to pull one randomly, ask Spirit to let me pick one that I should look at this Easter morning. Our Dear Lord in the Attic. How appropriate for Easter. A clandestine Catholic church concealed at the top of a canal-side townhouse in the Netherlands. How interesting. And these are all, I guess, famous places of connected somehow to meditation. How very cool. And it gives you kind of like a setting, and you know, it gives you something to think about and meditate about. How cool is that? These are super cool. This is a great box. I mean, the boxes are usually really good, but this is a super, super cool box. And for what you pay for it, I mean, truly, it's worth it. I can't remember what I paid for this box, but it's not more than $50 with shipping. So, this is probably my favorite box. I mean, I always like her boxes, but this one definitely is one of my favorite boxes. So, thank you so much, My Happy Life. Thank you, Chris. And I put a link below. I'm not sponsored by them by her in any way. I just think that it's a great box, and I don't get a lot of boxes anymore. I get my 2 Scottish boxes, and I get this one. This is the only spiritual box that I get, so, and I'm really happy with it. So, I am wishing you all the best of light and love. Be well. Take care. Bye-bye.